Do your shoulders ever feel heavy, neck stiff, back aching? These are common signs that your body is under strain. It's not just physical weight, it's the burden of stress, long hours, and the constant demands of modern life. You might be carrying the weight of the world, literally, on your slumped shoulders. This isn't just a metaphor. The physical manifestation of stress and poor posture can lead to chronic pain and fatigue. We've all been there, hunched over screens, our posture a forgotten afterthought. Hours spent in front of computers, tablets, and smartphones can wreak havoc on our bodies. The convenience of technology comes with a hidden cost. But here's the thing. Posture is more than just standing up straight. It's about maintaining the natural curves of your spine, ensuring that your body is aligned and balanced. Good posture can prevent injuries and improve your overall health. It's about your health, your confidence, and how the world sees you. When you stand tall, you exude confidence and strength. People perceive you as more capable and assertive. It's a simple change that can have a profound impact on your life. Poor posture can be a silent saboteur, slowly chipping away at our well-being without us even realizing it. It can lead to headaches, digestive issues, and even affect your mood. The cumulative effect of poor posture can be devastating over time. It's time to break free from the shackles of slouching and discover the transformative power of good posture. Simple exercises and mindful habits can make a world of difference. Start today and feel the weight lift off your shoulders. Embrace the change and let your body thank you for it. Bad posture isn't just about aesthetics. It's a fast track to aches, pains, and long-term health issues. When you consistently maintain poor posture, your body starts to adapt in unhealthy ways. The spine, which is meant to support your body, begins to curve unnaturally, leading to a host of problems that can affect your daily life. Think about it. When you slump, your muscles work overtime, leading to tension, headaches, and even difficulty breathing. Your muscles are constantly strained, trying to compensate for the unnatural position of your body. This not only causes immediate discomfort, but can also lead to more serious health issues over time, such as reduced lung capacity and digestive problems. Over time, this can morph into chronic back pain, rounded shoulders, and a misaligned spine. These conditions are not just painful, they can severely limit your mobility and quality of life. Chronic back pain can make even simple tasks like walking or sitting unbearable, while rounded shoulders can affect your overall posture and appearance. But the impact goes beyond the physical. Poor posture can also affect your mental and emotional well-being. When you're constantly in pain or discomfort, it can lead to stress and fatigue, making it difficult to stay motivated and focused. You may find yourself feeling more irritable and less capable of handling daily challenges. Poor posture can also chip away at your confidence. When you slouch, you may appear less confident and more insecure to others. This can affect your social interactions and how you're perceived in both personal and professional settings. Over time, this can lead to a lack of self-esteem and a diminished sense of self-worth. Standing tall isn't just about appearances. It's about feeling strong and capable in your own skin. Good posture can improve your overall sense of well-being, making you feel more confident and in control. It can also enhance your physical health, reducing the risk of chronic pain and other health issues. So, take a moment to straighten up and feel the difference it can make in your life. Now imagine this. You walk into a room, head held high, shoulders back, a confident stride. That's the power of good posture. It changes how you move, how you feel, and how others perceive you. Good posture conveys confidence, competence, and self-assurance. It can make you appear taller, slimmer, and even more approachable. And the best part? This boost in confidence isn't just external, it permeates how you feel about yourself. Ready to see how your posture stacks up? Try this simple check. Find a mirror, stand sideways and take a good look. Check your alignment. Your ear, shoulder, hip, knee, and ankle should form a straight line. Head up. Imagine a string gently pulling your head towards the ceiling. Shoulders back and relaxed. No hunching allowed. How did you do? Don't worry if your posture isn't perfect. We're about to change that. Section 5. Engage your core, your body's unsung hero. Good posture starts from within. Your core muscles, the powerhouse supporting your spine, are key. Think of them as the internal scaffolding holding you upright. Strengthening your core doesn't require hours at the gym. Simple exercises like planks, side planks, and bird dog can make a world of difference. Remember, consistency is key. Section 6. Stretch it out. Simple moves for a straighter you. In this section, we will explore a variety of simple yet effective stretches that can help you maintain a straighter posture and alleviate the tension that builds up in our bodies from daily activities. Just like we stretch our muscles after a workout, our bodies need regular stretching to combat the effects of gravity and daily life. Stretching not only helps in improving flexibility, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining good posture and reducing the risk of injuries. By incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, you can ensure that your muscles remain supple and your body stays aligned. Incorporate these stretches into your daily routine to experience the benefits of improved posture and reduced muscle tension. Consistency is key, so try to set aside a few minutes each day to perform these stretches. You can do them in the morning to start your day off right, or in the evening to unwind and relax. Chest stretch. Clasp your hands behind your back and gently lift your arms until you feel a stretch in your chest and shoulders. This stretch is particularly beneficial for those who spend long hours sitting at a desk, as it helps to open up the chest and counteract the forward hunching posture that often develops. Upper trapezius. Stretch. Tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder, and hold. This stretch targets the upper trapezius muscles, which can become tight and sore from activities such as typing, driving, or even carrying heavy bags. Repeat on the other side. It's important to stretch both sides to maintain balance and symmetry in your muscles. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds, and remember to breathe deeply and relax into the stretch. Chin tucks. Gently tuck your chin towards your chest, feeling a stretch in the back of your neck. This stretch helps to strengthen the muscles at the back of your neck and can alleviate tension headaches caused by poor posture. Perform this stretch slowly and with control, ensuring that you do not strain your neck. Full body stretch. Reach your arms overhead and stretch your entire body from your fingertips to your toes. This stretch helps to elongate your spine and can be a great way to start or end your stretching routine. Hold the stretch for a few deep breaths, feeling the lengthening in your body. By incorporating these simple stretches into your daily routine, you can improve your posture, reduce muscle tension, and feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. Remember, consistency is key, so make stretching a regular part of your day. Your body will thank you for it. Section 7. Ergonomics. Your workspace, your posture's best friend. Speaking of daily life, let's talk about your workspace. How you sit at your desk can make or break your posture. Here's how to make your workspace posture-friendly. Monitor at eye level. No more looking down at your screen. Elbows at 90 degrees. Make sure your keyboard and mouse are positioned correctly. Lumbar support. Give your lower back the support it needs with a cushion or ergonomic chair. Section 8. Posture power in action. From playdates to presentations. Good posture isn't just about looking good, it's about living better. Imagine effortlessly picking up your kids without throwing your back out or delivering a presentation with confidence and charisma. Good posture empowers you to move through life with ease, energy, and confidence, whether you're playing with your kids, nailing a job interview, or simply walking down the street. Section 9. Rise to the occasion. Better posture, better you. Improving your posture isn't about achieving perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a healthier, more confident you. So, stand tall, embrace the power of good posture, and watch as it transforms not only how you look, but how you feel and how the world sees you. Start today and step into a future filled with confidence, vitality, and a whole lot less back pain.